Hello, beautiful people. In this short video, you will learn about the 5 fruits idioms with meanings and example. The first one we have the apple of my eye. This idiom means someone valued about all others. For example, my grandmother is the apple of my eye. I love spending time with her. The next one we have to go banana, and this idiom means to become very excited or crazy about something or someone. For example, the crowd went banana when the team scored the winning goal. The next one we have is the cherry on the top. The cherry on the top, this idiom means something that makes a good situation. For example, winning the lottery was great, but getting to travel the world was cherry on the top. The next idiom we have is sour grapes. And this idioms mean disparaging something that one cannot achieve or have. For example, after not getting the job, he claimed it was sour grapes. The next idiom we have is peachy, and this idiom means a situation that is pleasing or satisfactory. For example, the weather was peachy and we enjoyed a wonderful day at the beach. If you wish to get a high score, you need to follow us for more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.